performed to the point the Tempest that I bade thee.
I boarded the king's ship. In every cabin I flamed amazement.
At first sight they have changed eyes.
Do you love me?
Beyond all limit.
They are both in either's powers.
Misery acquaints a man with strange bedfellows.
Looking for business, Governor?
Hast thou not dropped from heaven? Out of the moon, I do assure thee.
Caliban!
This island is mine!
For this, be sure tonight thou shalt have cramps.
Here lies your brother, no better than the earth he lies upon.
Draw thy sword, and I, the king, shall love thee.
I will plague them all, even to roaring.
I have made you mad.
We are such stuff as dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep.